Hey guys, Roger from the Townsend team here outside, and as you can, I'm sweating like crazy at a beautiful summer day, and I'm actually enjoying it because we have seen so many rainy days recently that we have to love when we can get an opportunity like this. Anyways, I'm outside one of our newest listings, and I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek of what it looks like before it hits the market. If you're interested in getting a property, give me a call, 647-360-5900, and we can get you in here before everyone else. Or if this property is not for you, we can find you the one that you're looking for. Anyways, I am here and we are looking at a bungalow here that's been completely renovated from top to bottom. We got two bedrooms upstairs, and we have two self-contained units here in this property. So this might be something that you want to get into. It is available for sale or for lease. If the price is right, we can get you into whichever you prefer. But as we approach, you can see from the steps here, brand new tiles, painted throughout. Everything has been completely done from top to bottom. And I just want to give you an idea of what you can get yourself into. So here we have the living room, and you can see pot lights at the top, beautiful window for the lots of natural light. We have a fireplace, brand new flooring. So like I said, this property has been done completely up and down, top to bottom, for your viewing pleasure. As you hear, we'll go through quickly. You have the French doors that enter into a brand new kitchen with stainless steel appliances. And as you can see, no expense was spared. A lot of money was put into this property. And I'm just going to show you everything here from the custom backsplash, as I mentioned, custom tiles, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertop, undermount sink. This one is really, really nice and spacious, and it's ready to go. This one can rent easily for about $1,800 with the two bedrooms up here. It was actually a three bedroom before, but what we decided to do to make it more convenient for people to rent is turn one of the bedrooms into a laundry so that they have their own separate space. So this is one of the bedrooms. It overlooks the backyard. Wait till you see the backyard, guys. This backyard is beautiful, especially when we're coming out of a pandemic. A lot of people are looking for a backyard space to be able to be with their family and just enjoy. Here is your washroom from upstairs, and then we are going to walk into the other bedroom across the hall. So a nice split floor plan. So if you're in this room, which is the bigger room, with your family, you can have the kids in the other room so that you can have a little bit of privacy. So as you can see, this room is also a very good size. And then we'll go into the laundry, and let me show you what you have coming out the laundry. So when we go into the laundry, you have two great size wash and dryer. Not a lot of times you go into places and you'll get the condo size, but here are full size machines. And then look at this, you have a walkout to the backyard. So while you're doing your laundry, you can come out and have your patio furniture and just chill. But look at this backyard, guys. Like, wow, you can come back here and you can have your barbecue. The kids can play soccer back here. You have a nice large deck, so you can come out here and lounge. And like I said, beautiful day today. So days like this, you throw out the barbecue, get some burgers, some dogs out there, and you can just really enjoy life. And one thing I like about this place, I don't know if you can hear, but it's just quiet. All you hear is birds chirping. I can hear faintly in the background somebody's cutting their lawn. And in these type of areas, it's where you want to be, just to get away from everything and to be able to enjoy your life. So as what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you into the backyard, but I'll give you, sorry, into the basement so you can see the two bedroom down there. But I'll just give you a final look at this backyard so you can appreciate what I'm seeing and just picture how you can be living here. So then we are going to go into the separate entrance. As you can see, it's right here. And this leads to the basement apartment. So the great thing about this is that you could rent it out. This one you could probably rent it out for about, I would say about $1,300. And both tenants don't need to see each other. As we approach the basement, you have a kitchen. Now look at this kitchen. Kitchen has also brand new quartz countertops. Where do you go and see a basement that has a kitchen like this? Tell me that. Incredible size. And then when you come on this side, you have a great spot that's great for eating. You can put an island if you want and just have lots of room. And then over here, we have one of the bedrooms. So that has a very large window. So trying to make sure that you can still get natural light in here. And then across, we have a new bathroom that was custom done as well. So as you can see, you have your glass shower enclosure, which is really nice. Great sized bathroom, also with brand new countertops. So my client decided that they were going to make this as nice as they possibly could. Another great feature is you have your own laundry here as well, so that whoever is renting knows that they can, like I said, be by yourself. You don't have to worry about running into people if you don't want to. And then you have this room here. This room is humongous. This will be the living area. You can throw your TV, you can lounge, and then you have your second bedroom, which is over here. Which, and if you didn't notice, this has pot lights too. So very modern, very chic, and a great size bedroom here as well. So there you have it, guys. The newest listing from the Townsend team. If this isn't the one for you, give me a call, 647-360-5900, and we can get you into one that is perfect for you. But guess what? This one here is not going to last long because it is exactly what people are looking for with two separate units, and it will definitely check all the boxes that's already been renovated. Until next time, guys, we'll see you soon.